filed and now refreshing your bank account. You can track your refunds journey from acceptance to deposit. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. After you e-file, TurboTax will show you the status, transmitted, accepted, or rejected. Once it's accepted by the IRS, TurboTax's job is done. To track the actual refund, use the official IRS "Where's My Refund" tool. You can find a link to it in TurboTax, or go directly to irs.gov. You'll need your social security number, filing status, and the exact refund amount. My crucial pro tip: wait 24 to 48 hours after acceptance before checking. The IRS system needs time to update. Checking immediately will just show a "return received" status. For direct deposit, the tool will give you an actual deposit date once it's processed. Track with the source for the most accurate, up-to-date information. How do you usually spend the waiting time? Patiently or impatiently? For more post-filing guidance, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.